Oh my god, I've just worked out how to get rid of the most annoying things in the world. I'm going to put the commands in the description. These things are possibly the most irritating thing in the world. If you do a check disk and you get these folders called found.000 number. Now you can end up with found.100 or found.999 I've had before, and then it just starts adding A's, found A, blah. But when you get this problem and you get these found folders, you don't have ownership of them. Now, I have managed through research to find a way to do this. So, I'm going to zoom in so you can see this clearer. But you need to type the following. So, you need to type take own for take ownership /f file or folder, put the name of the folder, and then /r. So that's take own /f folder name /r. The R is for recursive, the F is for file or folder. I've taken ownership of all of the folders in there. Okay, as you can see, there's a lot of them. It's giving me the name of my computer on my account. I don't really care about that. I'm behind 2 firewalls. I'm very paranoid. Next, you need to remove it. So, next we have this command, remove directory, RD. And then we put in the name of the folder we've just recursively taken ownership of. Are you sure? Yes. Now let's do a dir. Now you can only see these with /A :h for /all hidden, basically. 4's gone. Let's do the same with 5. Take ownership of 5 with recursive. Yes. Take ownership of all of that. Now you might want to keep these files. Me personally, I don't. They're some crappy, messed up move when I moved a lot of folders from one place to another. And what do we have here? Remove 5s. Now you got to be careful whenever deleting data. Make sure you're removing the right thing. These commands are dangerous. If you put the wrong folder name in there, you could lose your work with no chance of getting it back. The way I'm getting those up so quickly, I'm not typing that, I'm just pushing up on the keyboard. Now found 6, let's get rid of found 6. So I take ownership of the whole of 6. Yes, I want ownership of 6. Now I want to remove 6. Yes, I am sure. /A:/h. Yay! Whoops. Yay! They were actually taking up quite a bit of space. They were recovered files, and a few of them were 5 or 6 gig. As you can see, I now have 169 gig free instead of 120. Well, it's not 169, it's 150 gig, but you know what I mean. Large files, bad files. Please rate, comment, or subscribe.